Alright, so today I'll make this origami butterfly. To make this model, you'll need a square sheet of paper. To start, fold two diagonals together. Then fold the next two diagonals together. Fold the bottom to the top. And fold the bottom to the top again. Now you want to make what's called the water bomb base. Open up one of the flaps and push in. Then you can flatten it. Complete the same with the next side. Open it up, push it in, flatten it. Now you want to fold two of the edges and align it with the center. Now flip it over and take the whole bottom and fold it so that there's a triangle left about this size. Flip it over. Take one of the flaps, push it down, and make a fold like this. Complete the same here. Fold this flap down and make a fold here. Now, flip it over, fold this triangle onto this line, then fold it upwards. This will make the head of your butterfly, so make it any size you want. Once you've done that, fold it in half, like this, and flatten it. Then you can take this and fold it somewhere here, but it's your choice. These will be the wings of your butterfly. Flip it over and fold. And make sure when you fold this, it aligns with that wing. Flatten it out. And you've completed your origami butterfly.